Right, it's Sunday. Turn that off before we have a problem. A couple of croissants in here. Just want to warm them up. I like them warm. Slightly over warmed one side. Got a coffee. And we're stirring it with the knife. With a knife, not the knife. And it's still windy. No rain today like yesterday. Yesterday was a bit crap with the showers we had. But the new awning for the vehicle was really good. I didn't think it was going to last. I had my doubts, as it's just a cheapy one. It was about 80 quid, I think I said. And I've folded it up so it's not the full length, but I'm really chuffed with that. I had the solar panel on the roof yesterday to get the last bit of sun over there. But during the night I had a clonk and it fell off the log. Right, we're sick of the wind, officially sick of the wind. If I'm staying here tonight, which I am staying here tonight, I am not having the wind blowing into camp again. So we've changed the vehicle, rotated it 90 degrees. So I've changed the vehicle's location, not changed the vehicle. We'll get my small screwdriver out and reconnect that block connector. We're facing the right way. Pulled out the negative wire. Not a problem, 2-minute job. Right, here we go. The only time you need in the solar go box is I keep these lights in there. The only time you go in there is to turn the inverter on. You can pop the lid open, or you can turn on an extractor fan, shut the lid, and it's a lot quieter. With the lid open, you can hear it. Right, obviously now we've got a drain. We've got 240 on, the voltage hasn't dropped, there isn't a load. So obviously when I plug in the handheld, because that one's flat and it wouldn't harm anything to charge that one as well. So they're both charged. The battery's now dropped to 11.9 volts. So we need my EDC. That's my 511 Rush 12, my EDC bag. We won't go into that because I've put my underwear in it, my clean underwear, and all the rest of my clothes are just on the front seat, because obviously I need to change the clothes while I'm here and in case we go out and about and do anything. So we've got this little screwdriver set in this pouch. We're going to try and fix this without giving ourselves a shock. So we're in the shade, face down, somewhere dark. Wouldn't help to put something over it, a bit of carpet, a bit of cardboard. Whack that in there. Tighten that up. Obviously just come loose with being transported around the country. In 14 hours to do a 4-hour drive. Again, go around them again. And before I do anything with that, I'm going to make sure I put this away so I don't lose it. So I'm putting the tools away, because if I go and faff on a solar panel, come back and make a brew, I'll probably forget that's there, and it will just get forgotten about and lost and knocked over. So now the tools are away successfully. I can now plug the panel back in, goes directly into the middle of the box, and we'll quickly check. 11.9. I think it's fluctuating between 11.8 and 11.9. Pop it up on the wheel. Bish, bosh, bang. We'll have the cable going this way now because we've rotated the vehicle. And now we are on 12, we've got 1.9 amps coming in. Apparently 2.2 going out. So we've managed to get 2 radios on charge, all the water, while fixing the solar panel. And now that's done, I do love these 3-in-1s. I'm getting lazy over the years. So I've been using these 3-in-1s quite a bit instead of separate tea, coffee, sugar. There we go. Radio's on charge. Water boiled. Solar panel fixed. And we're going to use a knife again to stir it. Well, I've just been whizzing the drone around for about half an hour. It's still quite a bit windy, and my little tello is not really a fan of the wind. It's only a little fella. Yeah, he's only a little. Couple of batteries worth. I've got 2 left to get about 13 minutes. 12-13 minutes per flight, but obviously I would say less in the wind because it's doing more to counteract it. But yeah, I just had 2 batteries worth of flight time and seemed to be up there quite a bit. Wasn't really doing anything, just whizzing around, flying around, bobbing up and down. A bit snackish, so we'll have some super noodles. Right, noodle time, noodle time. Where's my fork? I've got to give this a stir. We'll have a bite to eat and we'll have a wander around and see a few people. Oh, blimey. Oh, blimey, governor. Look, we forgot. What did we forget? We forgot we got custard. And we forgot we got only half a cake left. So we're going to use kitty litter because we can. Yeah, I like the gasifier, and it runs quite efficiently, like on low. You don't get a big flame, you don't get as much heat with kitty litter. Wood paste pellets, if you're wondering. Yeah, wood paste pellets. Wood based pellets, that's the one. Don't think these aren't my last 2. I've got an entire packet in that bag. I just yeah, I only keep some in my fire kit and then just top it up now and then. These wood shavings. Yeah, you get a much better burn, bigger flames with sticks in the gasifier, but it only lasts about 20 minutes. You get 40 minutes. We had a barbecue the other day and we done the corn on the cob on this thing. We had corn on the cob on here, 2 of them at a time, and honestly hours later it was still too hot to handle. So hopefully, I have got like other means of lighting a fire, but hopefully we can get it going with just this. The kitty litter is a bastard to light. It's not great, but cotton wool and Vaseline and a load of sticks, twigs and that, or shavings in this case, if you get a good enough fire on the top, it will light. Not forgetting these things light from the top, unlike a traditional normal fire, despite what some people may say. Yeah, you don't light these at the bottom and put the stuff on top. These burn from the top downwards. I've seen a few people try and inform others that it's a top feeding fire, but it's not. You light the fire at the top, you don't feed it from the top. Right, I might keep these handy because I'll probably have to put a few more of them on. I don't want to smother the flame just yet. And then we'll get custard tonight instead of last night's antics of rice pudding. That wasn't bad for an Asda cheapo. It's because I wanted Jamaican ginger cake, but they didn't have Jamaican ginger cake. I was upset. I was with the missus and I was like, ah! So we went with a cheap coffee cake, but we do like Jamaican ginger cake. Yeah. Oh, that's hot enough. That's definitely hot enough. Right. That's it. Yeah, couldn't get more simpler. Nice chunk of cake, some custard, and a small fire. Yes. Right, it's only been 10 minutes. It's like 20 past 11 now. Mess tin's all washed up. Cutlery's all washed up for tomorrow. That's still going. Alright, I'm gonna go chop some firewood. Firewood's chopped. Little bit of kindling left over from yesterday, that should do to start it. That thing's still going. Using this again, a little fire bucket. Burning bin, fire bucket, whatever it is. And I've got one bag left to take home with me. Right, not embarrassed to say, I used two, the fire lighters, the blocks you get, I used two little blocks. And a clipper lighter. Oh, that's burning my legs already. So yeah, that's the end of the last night. It's Sunday night. Monday tomorrow, back to the real world. Gonna get packed up in the morning and get on out of here. Get home in less than 14 hours, we hope. Right, see you in the morning, because I'm going to be unsociable and turn off the camera.